Just a quick update today on DarkHelp Server. This is a sponsored change. There's a company that asked for this particular new feature. Really quick, I'm going to demo it here. So with DarkHelp Server, when you provide an image in the input folder, DarkHelp Server quickly picks up that image, processes it, and then puts it in the output folder. So here we can see the annotated image that it creates. These are all the things that it found with the network that it was running. It creates a JSON file with a whole bunch of output on all the things that it found. And then there's the original image. All right. So I'm going to delete. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, there you go. I need to save this. Okay, delete this output. The change, here's the change. If you have an ROI file, a region of interest, you can specify areas in the images that you are particularly interested in, and you can have as many of these as you want. These are rectangles, so X, Y, width, and height. When you place this file into your input folder, as usual, DarkHelp will process it. It'll look slightly different now when we look at the output because there's also this green and red rectangle for each region of interest. Now, for every single detection that intersects one of these regions of interest, there's a change in the JSON file. And that change, here's one of them. So it'll tell you that this particular detection intersects a region of interest. And then this here is different. So it'll tell you which region of interest it intersected. And if we take a look at, in this file, all instances of this, we can see some of them are false. So when we take a look at this image here, we can see that all of these objects intersect a region of interest, but this red light up here doesn't, and this red light up here doesn't. So let's look for that actually. Let's look for red light. So we've got 3 of these. So this is the first one where this flag is set to false. This is the second one. This flag is set to true, meaning it must be this one over here. And then the third one is also set to false, right? So we've got 2 red lights that are outside the regions of interest, and we've got 1 red light which is inside the region of interest. And if we take a look at the one that's set to true, which is this one here, the region of interest is this one, 750, 350, and the height is 100 and the width is 100. So it's the region of interest that looks square, which is this one here. So that's how that works. This feature is not pushed to GitHub yet. Today is, Sunday, May 29, 2022, but it will be pushed in the next few days.